So here we have the fifth exercise. Okay, first thing, you have to decide the kind of motion. Okay, something you could think, oh, it is in a straight line, like in the previous one, in the fourth one. So it's a uniformly accelerated motion. No, it is not. As I always tell you, you have to notice the first thing, what you are representing. And in this case, you are representing the position, not the speed. In the previous exercise, you had the speed. In this case, you have the position, okay? So the position, if the position is represented with a straight line, it is an uniform motion, okay? I remind you that in the case of the uniformly accelerated motion, the graph of the position was a parabol, okay, not a straight line. Be careful, that is something very important, always noticing what you are representing. Second question, what is the position at 10 seconds? That is very easy. In the graph, you have represented the position, so you just have to go to here, to second, and here in this axis, in the y-axis, you have the position. So the position that corresponds to second is 10 meters, okay? Third question, what is the average speed? Okay, to calculate the average speed, I remind you the average speed or the mean speed is this, the total distance traveled divided by the time, okay, it took to travel that distance. So to do that, you will go to the initial position, the first point, and the final position, okay? So what is the distance traveled? Okay, from 0, you start in 0 and you end in 20, the distance traveled is 20 meters, okay? You go from 0, from the position 0 to the position 20, so the distance traveled is 20 meters. And what is the time taken to travel these 20 meters? Okay, here you have the time, okay? So the time is from 0 to 5 seconds. So the time that it takes to travel these 20 meters is 5 seconds. So the mean speed is the distance traveled, 20 meters, divided by the time it took to travel these 20 meters, so 5 seconds. 20 divided by 5, 4. For what? Well, we are calculating a speed. So the units for speed, distance divided by time, the unit you have used for distance, divided by the units you have used for time, meters per second. So the answer is 4 meters per second.